Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Cryptos. My name is Dom and I'm super excited for today's episode. I'm going to be showing you all how to make an iced Americano in my Espresso. First things first, the very basic definition of an Americano is just espresso mixed with water. And if you're going to make a hot Americano, you pour hot water over hot espresso. If you're going to make a cold Americano, you pour the hot espresso over ice and then you'll add cold water on top of the espresso and mix it together and you have a cold Americano. And of course you can add any sort of cream or milk on top if you need to. It's a lot stronger, or it tastes a lot stronger than making a latte, which is espresso mixed with milk, or like a cappuccino, which is espresso mixed with milk foam. This is just espresso and water. So basically it's diluted espresso. Today I'm going to be making the iced version, and I'm going to be using the Starbucks blonde espresso roast, Espresso pods. I'm going to be using 2 shots today, but of course you can add as many shots as you like. And it's always a 2-to-1 ratio is basically what I use. So if I use 2 shots of espresso, I'll use twice as much water to dilute it over ice, and then you can add whatever creamer or stuff on top. Sometimes I'll drink Americanos black. Other times I'll add some oat milk or a little bit of creamer if I want it sweeter. It just depends on how I'm feeling for the day. I love Americanos in the summertime, but even as we're approaching fall time, I think it'd be really nice to use some of my pumpkin spice creamer on top of the Americanos. So that's probably what I'll show you all today. So let's get started. So I have my blonde espresso roast, and I'm just gonna open up my espresso and put it in there. Okay, so the first shot just finished pouring, so now I'm gonna pour my second shot using the same espresso roast from Starbucks. And then while I let this shot pour, I'm just gonna go grab some cold water from the fridge and get ready to put it into my glass. Okay, so my espresso shots have finished pouring, and then I put some ice into my glass and I have my cold water here. So the first step is I'm gonna take my espresso, which smells really, really good, and I'm just gonna pour it over the ice. Just like that. And then all I'm gonna do is take my cold water and I'm gonna pour it up to about right there. And then you just kind of give it a stir. I'm gonna add just a tad more water. And then give it a stir. And this is a very simple iced Americano made from the Espresso. Okay, so if you like to drink black coffee, you could obviously have your Americano just like this, which I enjoy it like this sometimes in the summertime. But since it's almost fall time and it's pumpkin spice season, I'm going to use my non-dairy almond milk and oat milk pumpkin spice creamer from Starbucks and just add a little bit on top. So I'm going to give it a shake here. And then I'm going to open up the lid like this. And then I'm just going to pour a little bit on top. Just like that. And then you can give it a good stir. And then this is a iced Americano just with some pumpkin spice creamer. And you can see it has a nice, soft, light brown color. Thanks for tuning in to another video. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I'll see y'all next time.